I believe I figured out why I was having trouble with Vifly Shortsaver V2 getting powered up. If Vifly Shortsaver V2 is connected to the power output of the ToolkitRC M7AC charger, prior pressing start button on the charger, Vifly Shortsaver will go into the state where red and blue LED starts flashing. It means either short or overcurrent. That must be it. Oscar Leong has a diagram mentioning it in his Vifly Shortsaver V2 review blog. I don't understand all the technicalities here, but I believe that some kind of current spike must be hitting the Shortsaver, and it automatically kicks into overcurrent protection mode. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. I always love to learn. So, now, let's unplug the Shortsaver and engage DC output, power option first. Power, DC output, LED is still off, meaning nothing's coming out of this port yet. Start button was pressed, it's flowing. XT60 port red LED is on. Let's try it now, and see if it works like this. It should work. And it does work. Pressing a button to enable 2 amps current threshold, blue LED, right-hand side. It's needed for 6S drone configuration. And pressing a button to power on our quadcopters while working on the bench, which is the green LED, at the top. All good. I'm a happy camper again. Stop. Thanks for watching.